My name is Karen Terry, and I'm a partner with Circe, Denny, Scrolla, Barnhart, and Shipley. Pharmacy errors are not rare at all. They happen in Florida every single day and all over the country. There's 4 billion prescriptions filled each year in the United States, and there's only 240,000 pharmacists in the United States. The limited number of pharmacists throughout the United States, of 240,000 of them, they're going to have to fill even more prescriptions moving forward into the future because we have an aging population and they're taking more and more medications. And so there's more medications that are going to have to be filled. In addition, companies are continually coming out with new medications and products. And one of the problems is a lot of these products sound the same. And they're placed in the pharmacy next to each other. And that is just riddled with serious problems because the pharmacy technicians who are actually putting the medicine in the vial and ultimately giving it to you they're just bound to get it wrong. And it happens every day in this country. According to the FDA, over 1.3 million people are injured every single year due to medication mistakes and medication errors. And that's a staggering number. The errors happen in local pharmacies when we go in and get our prescriptions filled, and they also happen in the hospitals themselves all the time. In fact, there's more misfills in this country than there are motor vehicle accidents, breast cancer, and people that die from AIDS. And those are 3 topics that are covered very well in the national media. But somehow medication errors gets buried as not being an important topic to the national media when it should be a more important topic, or at least just as important as folks that die or are catastrophically injured due to motor vehicle accidents, breast cancer, and AIDS. Well, I doubt that the pharmacies want to spend the money to fund those types of studies to be done because pharmacies want to sell us drugs. So that's probably why those studies aren't being done and why the national media tends not to focus on it. It only takes one. It takes one catastrophe to change someone's life. I had a case where a medication was misfilled of Coumadin, which is a blood thinner. And our client was 43 years old. She had a husband and 4 children. And she took the medication. A pharmacy technician filled it with very little education. In fact, her prior job had been serving popcorn at the movie theater. And the only credential she needed to have in order to fill a life-threatening medication, a blood thinner like Coumadin, was to pass a 20-question multiple choice exam at a local pharmacy. And our client got 10 times the dose of a blood thinner, which caused catastrophic bleeding into her brain. She had a very serious stroke. She was completely debilitated in her wheelchair. You could barely understand what she would say. And her life was just horribly changed. And she ended up dying from it.